Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make margarita mix. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients for an authentic taste. Start with fresh limes, as their juice is crucial for a vibrant flavor. Next, select a good quality orange liqueur, such as Cointreau or Triple Sec, to add depth. Finally, have your favorite tequila ready and prepare a simple syrup for the perfect balance of sweetness. Creating simple syrup is straightforward and essential for your margarita mix. Combine 1 part granulated sugar with 1 part water in a saucepan. Gently heat the mixture, stirring constantly until all the sugar completely dissolves. Do not boil it vigorously. Once clear, remove from heat and let it cool entirely. This ensures your mix isn't watered down by warm syrup. Now, let's bring all the components together to create your delicious margarita mix. First, juice enough fresh limes to get approximately 1 cup of liquid. Next, combine this fresh lime juice with 1 cup of your cooled simple syrup. Then, carefully add 1/2 cup of your chosen orange liqueur. Stir all these ingredients thoroughly until they are perfectly blended and harmonious. Once your margarita mix is prepared, proper storage is key to enjoying it later. Pour the finished mix into an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. When you are ready for a drink, simply combine 2 parts of your homemade mix with 1 part of your favorite tequila over ice. Garnish with a fresh lime wedge and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.